Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Peswani. I'm a nutritionist and food consultant by profession. Our topic for today's KG Food Diaries is how to enjoy Diwali without gaining weight. Sounds exciting, right? We all almost fear Diwali many a times because we feel we are going to gain weight. But it's not true. If you are mindful and if you follow these guidelines that I'm going to talk about in this video, you will realize it's very easy to enjoy Diwali without any guilt. Firstly, I would suggest whenever you're eating out during Diwali or whenever you're eating in any kind of parties, prefer eating in small plates. Avoid the big plates completely. When you're eating in small plates, what happens is the food quantity seems more and it automatically makes us psychologically much more satisfied. Secondly, avoid carbonated drinks, avoid sweetened beverages because they are just unnecessary sugar which is empty calories, which will do nothing but make you gain more weight. So give that a total miss. If you plan to have hard drinks, I would suggest keep yourself hydrated and avoid all the fried starters and the accompaniments that we have along with our hard drinks completely. Prefer having salads or some grilled food and keep your drinks to a minimum. Thirdly, if you're indulging in sweets, which I feel the festival is all about, everyone loves to enjoy their sweets, think mindfully as to which sweet would you really like to have and choose that sweet and enjoy it to the fullest. Make sure you do not indulge in too many unwanted sweets, which of course will lead to unwanted weight gain. Next, I would suggest is try to eat your food as slowly as possible. Take small bites and chew your food well. This again gives your mind a signal when you are really full and you will not lead into overeating. So be mindful about what you are eating and how you are eating. Another thing that's very important is avoid eating very late in the night. The time is very crucial when you are looking at maintaining your weight or trying to control your weight. Late night eatings definitely lead to a lot of weight gain. If you need to eat very late in the night, pick foods which are very low in calories and which are going to be light on your system and which will not lead to bloating the next day. Last but not the least, even in the festive season, do not miss out on your workout. In fact, I would suggest spend a little more time working out so that you can burn more calories and enjoy your festive season to the fullest and you look great. Wishing you, each one of you, a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. Thank you.
Hey everyone, hope you've enjoyed watching our video how to enjoy Diwali without gaining weight. On that note, happy Diwali to everyone. Do subscribe to our channel for many more such videos.